Suntay Heavy Industries and Mechanical Manufacture Company Limited is located at Bulwong Economic Development Zone, Ma Anshan of Steel City. The company covers an area of about 18,000 square meters with a production workshop of more than 10,000 square meters and now has more than 50 sets of various processing equipment. It's professionally engaged in sheet metal production and ventilation devices like fire damper production equipment, DUCT production line, CNC angle steel flange production line, shearing machine, block forming machine, TDF flange forming machine, and so on. The devices are widely adopted in the professional production field, like duct, decoration, machinery, and aviation. The product quality remains in a high level stably, and after years of development, the company has been ahead of other companies in China due to the advanced sheet metal forming machine technology. Suntay adheres to the technology leading strategy, aims at being the top-tier supplier of machinery and solution in the world, and persists in innovation. With years of exploration and effort, a R&D group oriented by Technology Center is established step by step, which contains many domestic and international professionals who work in the departments of development, production, market, and after-sale to offer best solutions to customers. Suntay places much value on quality, timely delivery, and quick service, holding the motto of quality coming first, credit standing paramountcy. We sincerely welcome the friends, both at home and abroad, for cooperation and mutual development.